an egg video. Our chickens have been laying really big eggs and really, really small eggs.
Surprise, guys! Hi!
We're gonna crack this one because we think there might be two yolks in it.
And maybe freedom.
And we're gonna crack this one because it feels real.
I feel like there's another egg inside.
Crack here.
And yes. What? Can I crack one now? No. Can I crack one and just? Can I crack one?
No, just wait a minute.
Yay.
No, it's just a normal egg.
Why does it feel so weird though?
I don't know.
After the yolk is cold. After some minutes, can I crack one?
Yeah, can you focus away?
After it's a minute.
Now let's try the big one.
I'm going to do one after it's a minute. Let's see how many yolks there is.
One yolk, two yolks,
There's 2 yolks.
two huge yolks in here. Isn't that big, Oakley?
Yeah.
Bunch of yolks.
Can I do it now?
So I'm gonna make some eggs.
What kind of eggs? Scrambled?
And I'm going to eat them all, of course. Well, of course I'm going to eat them all. You're not feeding.
Can I help you?
Tickle! Here's Tickle. What colors could I use? That one. Heart. A heart. Mama, I have to get ice. You better watch out, Mama. I'm about to get ice. Mama, get.
So I cook my salt and pepper in the egg.
But why do you do that, sir?
Because it tastes better.
Tastes worse.
Just all that's left is to cook them and eat them. Gotta keep scraping the bottom or they'll burn. Egg out of here. Still some egg. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.
See you next time.